Hello everyone. So today I am going to show you very important problem, Armstrong number problem. So this is the very important program asked in interviews and also in practical exam and in practicals daily basis. So watch till the end. So what is exact meaning of Armstrong number? First of all, I am showing you what is the Armstrong number. See, there is an input n is equal to 153 and we have to show that whether it is Armstrong or not. So for that what we have to do first, we have to take the last digit. See the n 153, this is our complete number, but we want last digit only. We want last digit only. So first of all what we will do, first of all we will calculate the length of that number. What is the length of the number? Length of the number is 3. Okay, see 3 in 153, this is the number, but in that number there are 3 digits, that's why the length is 3. So 153 number length is 3. Okay, so now what we will do, we will first extract the last number. So if we extract last number and we have to calculate the power 3 to the power 3. Okay, plus again now we will extract the second last number. So our second last number is 5 and we have to calculate and add that in this, means we have to do this 5 cap, sorry, 5 to the power 3. Again we have to do, again we have to extract last remaining number, that is nothing but 1. Again we have to calculate 1 to the power of 3. See what this is, 3, this 3 and this 3, nothing but our length. See length of the number, and this 3 is last number, 5 is second last number, and 1 is what, our last one number. So if we will if we'll calculate this, means 3 cube plus 5 cube plus 1 cube, which is equals to 153. Okay, which is equals to 153. So this is our result, this is our result. Okay, and if n is equal to result, then return true, then return true, else 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 return false. This is the our logic, this is the our logic. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to do this calculation, and once our result and our original number is same, that means our input, means our n is Armstrong number, other means returns true, otherwise returns false. So first of all, see I just shown you what is meaning of Armstrong number. Now I am showing you the logic with on the notepad, and after that I will show you the code, how it will be the code. First of all I will show the execution of this number. See now n is equals to 153. First of all we want this last number from this our n. So how what we will do, see we will take n is equals to n mod 10. So if we do this, n is equals to n mod 10, so we will get 3, we will get 3. Now what we have to do, we will take one variable, and in that we add, in that we add these 3 but to the power of a 3. Understand, the to the power of this length. Okay, now what we will do, now we want only 15 number, we want only 15 number, we don't want these 3 again, we want only 15 number. So what we will do, we will what we will do, see n is equals to n divide 10. So in this way we will get 15 number. So for that we have to put while loop, and we in while loop we have to put condition, if while n is greater than 0, then if this n is greater than 0, then perform all these steps. So the full loop will get executed only till the condition is true. Now where we were, so result is equal to result plus 3 power 3. Yeah, it will, and this understood to you now. Okay, now n is equals to n divide 10, means now 15 go here, 15 go here. So 15 is greater than 0, yes. So again we will come here, 15 mod 10 will come 5, 15 mod 10 will come 5. Then already in result 3 power 3 to the power 3 was there. Again what we will do, we will add again now this 5 to the power 3, 5 to the power 3. Okay, now again we will come here, and again n is equals to n mod 10. If we do 15 is equals to 15, sorry, not mod, divide. N is equals to n divide 10. If we do 15 divide 10, so what will happen? So only one will come here, only one will come here, only one will come here. So 1 is greater than 0, yes. So 1 mod 10 is nothing but 1 only. So again we will do this 1 to the power 1 to the power 3, 1 to the 1 to the power 3, and all these get stored in result. And now again we will come here, again we will come here. So n mod, sorry, n is equals to n divided by 10. So 1 divided by 10 is nothing but 0. See, 0 is greater than 0, no. So condition false over here. So while loop will not execute over here again, understood? While loop will not execute over here, we will come out from the loop, and in our result there will be stored the value what? 3 cube plus 5 cube plus 1 cube is nothing but 153 only. And this result and this our original number is same, means our n is nothing but Armstrong number. Understand? Armstrong number. So it will return true. It will return true. So it will return true. So this is the logic behind this. So I hope everybody is understood the logic. Now we will write the code. Just watch till the end and understand how the code will be written. For we will take a one variable, that is nothing but original variable. See, why I will take this variable. See, because our input is what? 153. This is our n, but this is in string form, we have to convert it into number. So for that I will write here number in bracket n, means what? Our n, which was 153 in the string number, and that's stored in the original variable. That's why I did this. Okay, now what I will do here, I have to calculate the length of our number. So here length of our number is what? 3. 153 length is 3. So in this way we have to find the length. So I will take one variable. See, and please keep in mind that the logic is same. This will work for all language. Understand? This logic is work for all language. Just syntax will be different, logic will be same. So please pay attention over here. Logic will be same for all language. So just pay attention over here. So only syntax will different. So listen carefully. So length is equals to what? How to find length of the number? See, now I'm writing this program in JavaScript. So this is the syntax. N dot. Now the number is in form of a string. So that's why I put here to string dot length, means what? Our number which was in string, and we have to find the length of the number. So in this way we will get 3 in the length variable. Okay, why we did this? Because our input is in string form. By default our input is in string form. So if you want to find the length of that number which was in string form, so I have to put this syntax. Okay, this is JavaScript syntax. Okay, so now again I will take one variable, result is equals to y, to keep the addition of all the numbers. See, like this we did what we did here. For that purpose we take one variable and we will put 0 in that stored. We will store 0 in that variable. Now I will again take one more variable, that is nothing but temporary variable, and I will put original number. Our original number means our original what? 153. So we will keep that original in temp. Why? Because all the calculation we will perform on that temp number, and that temp will goes on change. See, like this, sometimes 153, after that 15, after that 1. So temp is going to change. So that's why we take original number in one variable temp. And because our original number will be our original number was 153 only, so we will just make changes in temp, and temp is nothing but our 153 number only. Okay, so now I will put the one condition over here. While while our n is greater than 0, yes, our n means our 153 is greater than 0. So first of all, I have to extract the last number from our original number, means our temp. So what I will do, so I will do, so this is not n, this will come temp over here, because now we will work on temp. So what we will do here, temp mod 10. So in this way what we will do, we will extract 3 and we will store that 3 in digit. Now I will take result which was declared here. So result equal to result plus, result is equals to result plus what, our this digit to the power length, digit to the power length. So what we will do, result is equals to result plus. So in a JavaScript there is a one method, math dot power. So in this way we will calculate the power by this method. So our last extracted number, extracted digit from the number is stored in the digit, and to the power our length, to the power length. Okay, and again now we want 15 only. See, we want 15 only, we want 15 only, we want 15 only. So what we will do here, so our temp is equals to math dot floor, math dot floor, and this is temp divide 10. So in this way our remaining number means 15 will go up here, 15 will go up here, and again we will check 15 is greater than 0 for this condition. Okay, so this will goes to continue till our after 153, then after that 115, sorry, first 153, then temp become 15, then temp become 1. As temp becomes 0, this condition is not executed, and we will come here. Now we will check here, if our result is equal to our original number. See, that's why I kept original number here. I take original number here, I kept original number here, and I just copy of original number in the temp variable, and I just changed to the temp only, and our original number was same. Okay, and if result is equal to original, then what, return true, return true. But if result is not equal to original, okay, result is not equal to original, means what, return false, return false. So this is the our logic behind this. So now we will see the what is the output. See, answer is true. See, everybody is looking. Answer is true. Why? Because 153 is Armstrong number. Why? Because 3 cube plus 5 cube plus 1 cube is nothing but 153. So we will check condition over here and answer return true. Understand? See, what I did first of all here. First of all, our input is in string form by default. So I converted it into number and stored in a original variable. After that I find the length of the number. After that our n is in string, keep it in mind, our n is string format. That's why I find the length by using this formula, by using this formula. Now we will take result is equals to 0 variable to store the result, and we just copy our original number into temp variable, because we keep going change temp, not original. Understand? And now see what we did here. We extracted the last digit from our number. Now what we did here, we we find the power of that extracted number to the length of the number. See, like this, and we keep and add in the result. we keep going and stored and add in the result variable, and in the at the same time we pass the remaining number. We have to pass the remaining number, and those number we found that extracted, we will not take that, understand, we will not take that. So remaining number we find by this method, by division. So we will continue this loop until and unless we will not get 0 is greater than 0. As we found 0 greater than 0, then we will come here, and in our result there be one number is stored and our original number is stored, and if the both number are same, then return true, otherwise return false. Okay, so now if I will take one number, say for example 125, and I will run for this. So 125 is not Armstrong number, but let us see what output will come. So if I run the program, then output will become false. See, output become false because 125 is not Armstrong number. Most of the people doing the same mistakes only. Most of the people thought 125 is an Armstrong number because 5 is coming at the end. So this is wrong. This is not the logic behind this. The logic is behind this is. This is the logic behind this. Okay. So 125 is not Armstrong number, and as I give input as a 125, so result is become false, means our output is become false, means our code is working, our code is working. Now again we will check, again we will check for 153. So well, what output it will give? I think it will give true only. So 153 is Armstrong number, and you will take your example also, no problem. So answer is true, answer is true. So if this and please follow to me, because I have everything in my playlist, in my channel. On my channel, see, there is a playlist of an array, as well as all the shorts video also, long video also. See, all the all videos I made, those are required in interview, in practical exams, in interview. Those are very important. So follow me, and if this helpful for you, then comment, like, and subscribe.